Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an ice cream shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and an ice cream shop worker. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. Why does this ice cream shop have 31 flavors? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are, Mina. This is my favorite ice cream shop in town.
Wow, look at all these covers. There are so many flavors here.
Yes, this shop has 31 flavors, all in one place.
31? That is so many. How can I pick just one?
Take your time. We are not in a hurry today.
Look, there is chocolate, strawberry, mint, and so much more.
I come here often. I try a new flavor almost every time.
That is a smart idea. Then you can taste them all slowly.
Right. It takes a long time to try all 31 flavors.
But why 31? That is a strange number for a shop.
Good question. Do you know why it is 31?
No idea. Why not 30 or 40? Why this number?
It has a fun meaning. I will tell you a little later.
Oh, now I really want to know. Tell me now, please.
Be patient. First, let us choose your ice cream.
Okay, but do not forget to tell me, David.
I will not forget. Now, look at this big window.
They all look so good. I want to try everything.
That pink one is very popular. A lot of people love it.
It looks sweet and creamy. What flavor is it?
I think it is strawberry. We can ask the workers soon.
Did you come here as a child, David?
Yes, many times. My family loved this little shop.
That is a really sweet memory.
On warm days like today, we always came here together.
What flavor did you pick back then?
I always picked chocolate. It was my favorite as a boy.
And now you try a new one every time.
Yes, I changed. Now I love to taste new flavors.
That sounds like a fun little game.
It is. There are still many flavors I have not tried.
With 31, that makes sense.
Exactly. And now you are part of the fun.
I am really happy to be here with you today.
Me too, Mina. Good food is better with a good friend.
I will always remember my first time here.
Now, let us look at all these flavors again.
I feel like a happy child in a candy store.
That is the best way to feel in here. Come closer.
Okay, where do we start? There is so much to see. There are too many. I cannot decide. They all look great.
I know that feeling. Let me help you choose.
Please, my eyes keep jumping from one to another.
Look here. This flavor has a special little card.
A card? What does the card mean?
It is the flavor of the month. It changes every month.
Every month? So this flavor is only here right now?
Yes, each month they pick one new special flavor.
That is clever. So there is always something new to try?
Right. Some people come back just for the new one.
So what is this month's special flavor?
It looks like cookies and cream. See the dark pieces?
Oh, yes. Little cookie bits inside white cream. Yum.
If you like cookies, this is a very good choice.
Maybe, but I also want something light and fruity.
Then look at the mango in the strawberry over there.
The mango is so orange and bright. It looks fresh.
It is fresh, but remember, you do not have to guess.
What do you mean? How can I know before I buy?
You can taste a flavor before you buy it here.
Really? We can try it first? For free?
Yes, I will show you how in just a minute.
How many flavors can I taste before I buy?
Just one or two. That is the polite way.
I see. I do not want to taste all 31.
That would take you all afternoon.
Can I add things on top of my ice cream?
Yes, you can add sprinkles, nuts, or warm sauce.
Sprinkles sound fun. They are so colorful.
They are. Kids love them, but adults like them too.
What about a cup or a cone? Which is better?
Both are nice. A cone is fun. A cup is easy to hold.
I think I want a cone today.
Good. A cone feels like a real treat.
There is so much to think about.
Don't worry. The worker will help you choose.
Okay, I feel ready to taste some flavors now.
Then let us go and talk to the worker at the counter.
This shop really thinks of everything.
That is why I love it. Let us go and order.
Okay, I'm getting excited now. Excuse me, can I ask you something, please?
Of course. Welcome. How can I help you today?
There are so many flavors. Can I taste one first?
Yes, of course. We give you a little pink spoon.
A pink spoon? That is so cute.
Here you go. Which flavor do you want to try?
Can I try the mint one, please?
Sure. Here is a small taste. Go ahead and try it.
It is so fresh and cool. I really like it.
Mint is nice on a hot day. Do you want another taste?
Can I try one more? Is that really okay?
Yes, no problem at all. 1 or 2 tastes are fine.
Then can I try the cookies and cream, please?
Good choice. That one is our flavor of the month.
Oh, David told me about that flavor.
Here you go. A fresh little spoon for you.
Wow, the cookie bits are so good. This is hard.
Take your time. Which one do you like more?
I think the cookies and cream. It is a little sweeter.
Many people pick that one too. It's very popular.
Is the pink spoon free? I feel a little bad asking.
Do not worry. The tastes are free. That is normal here.
What is the most popular flavor here?
Chocolate and cookies and cream are the top 2.
Do children like different flavors than adults?
Yes, kids often pick bright colors and bubble gum.
Bubblegum ice cream? That sounds funny.
It is blue and pink. Children really love it.
What is your own favorite flavor?
I like mint chocolate chip the best.
Oh, I tried the mint. It was so fresh.
Then you chose well.
Are there flavors with fruit in them?
Yes, we have strawberry, mango, and more.
There really is something for everyone.
That is the idea. We have a flavor for everyone.
I will stay with cookies and cream, I think.
A great choice. You will not be sorry.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
My pleasure. Are you ready to order now?
Yes, I think I am ready. I would like the cookies and cream, please.
Great choice. 1 scoop or 2 scoops?
What is the difference between them?
1 scoop is 1 ball of ice cream. 2 scoops means 2 balls.
I see. I will have 1 scoop, please.
Okay, would you like a cup or a cone?
What do most people pick here?
Both are good. A cone is fun to eat. A cup is easy to hold.
I will take a cone, please.
We have a sugar cone or a waffle cone. Which one?
A waffle cone, please. It smells so good.
Good pick. The waffle cone is sweet and crunchy.
Thank you. Can I ask you one more thing?
Sure, go ahead and ask.
Why does this shop have 31 flavors?
Ah, a great question. It has a fun reason.
My friend would not tell me. Please tell me.
31 is one flavor for every day of the month.
Oh, one flavor for each day?
Yes, so you can have a different flavor every single day.
That is so smart. Now I understand the number.
Now you know the little secret. Here's your cone.
Should I eat the cone too?
Yes, the whole cone is good to eat.
That is nice. Then there is nothing to throw away.
Right. Eat from the top, then enjoy the cone last.
What if it melts on my hand?
Here are some napkins. Take a few.
Thank you. You think of everything.
We want every customer to feel happy.
Can I add some sprinkles on top, please?
Of course, we have rainbow or chocolate sprinkles.
Rainbow ones, please. They look so cheerful.
Good choice. Here you go. All done.
It looks like a little party on top.
That's the idea. Sprinkles make it more fun.
I cannot wait to eat it.
Eat it soon. On a warm day, it melts fast.
Thank you. It looks so beautiful.
Enjoy it. Please go to the next window to pay.
Okay, thank you so much.
There you are. You found the flavor.
Yes, cookies and cream in a waffle cone.
Good choice. That really looks nice.
The worker was so kind. He let me taste 2 flavors.
That is the best part of this shop. Now, let me pay.
Oh no, I can pay for mine, David.
It is on me today, my treat.
Your treat? Are you really sure?
Yes, I brought you here, so I will pay.
Thank you, David. That is very kind of you.
You are welcome. Next time you can treat me.
Deal. Next time it is my treat.
I will remember that for sure.
Do you pay with cash or a card?
I will use my card. It is quick and easy.
I see a small jar by the counter. What is it?
That is a tip jar. You can leave a little money.
Do we have to put money in it?
No, you do not have to, but it is a kind thing.
The worker was so helpful to me.
He was. In the US, a small tip is a nice way to say thank you.
Then let us leave a little money for him.
Good idea. I am proud of you, Mina.
I am learning so much today.
You are. Soon you can teach your friends.
I would love that. This was a great lesson.
And a tasty one, too.
The best kind of lesson.
You are very welcome. Let us pay now.
How much is one ice cream here?
It is not too much, about $5 here.
That is fair for such a big scoop.
Yes, and the tastes before were free, remember?
I still feel happy about the free tastes.
Me too. Let me get my own cone now.
What flavor did you pick?
I picked the flavor of the month, just like you.
Cookies and cream. Now we are a team.
A cookies and cream team. Let us find a seat.
Good idea. My ice cream is starting to melt.
Here is a good bench. Let us sit here.
Perfect. It is sunny and warm today.
This is the best weather for ice cream.
Every day is a good day for ice cream.
True. So, do you like your flavor?
I love it. The cookie bits are the best part.
I'm glad. The flavor of the month is always nice.
I am so happy I tried it before buying.
The free tastes really help. Now you know the trick.
Yes, try first, then choose. I will remember that.
Good. You learned a lot today.
Wait, you still did not tell me about 31.
You are right, but maybe you know now.
I do. The worker told me at the counter.
Oh, good. So tell me, why 31?
31 is one flavor for every day of the month.
That is right. You learned the secret.
One flavor each day. That is why it's 31.
What flavor will you try next time?
Maybe chocolate or maybe mango.
You liked the mint too, right?
Yes, so many choices. It is hard to decide.
That is the fun of a place like this.
I want to bring my friends here next time.
They will love it. Many people love ice cream.
We can all try different flavors and share them.
That is a great idea. Sharing makes it more fun.
And we can taste even more of the 31.
You really like that number now.
I do. It's a happy little number.
Ice cream can make people happy.
That is so true. Today was a great day.
I am glad. Let us come back very soon.
Yes, I cannot wait for next time.
Now you will never forget this shop.
Never. I want to try a new flavor next time.
Then we will come back again very soon.
Yes, please. Maybe I will try all 31.
That will take you a whole month.
One each day. I am ready for that.
Let us finish these first. Cheers, Mina.
Cheers, David. Thank you for today.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why does this ice cream shop have 31 flavors? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.